Vocabulary for IELTS topic, science. 1. Elementary, basic. 2. Combine, mix together. 3. Analyze, examine in detail. 4. Exposure, in contact with. 5. Detergent, soap. 6. Side effects, unwanted reaction. 7. Basis, the principal idea. 8. Toxic, poisonous. 9. Fertilizer, plant food. 10. Contaminated, polluted. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, community. 1. Antisocial, against society. 2. Conform, follow the rules. 3. Cooperate, work together. 4. Mindset, attitude. 5. Minority, small percentage. 6. Shun, avoid. 7. Conventional, traditional. 8. Interaction, communication. 9. Pressure, stress. 10. Conduct, behavior. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, study. 1. Theoretical, academic or not proven. 2. Educational, academic, educative. 3. Acquire, gain or get. 4. Compulsory, must be done. 5. Valid, reasonable. 6. Determine, discover or find out. 7. Establish, prove. 8. Significant, important. 9. Review, check or go over. 10. Concentrate, think very hard. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, advertising. 1. Persuade, get to agree. 2. Convinced, assure. 3. Unavoidable, certain to happen. 4. Commercialized, focused on profit. 5. Effective, achieving its aims. 6. Ploy, trick or gimmick. 7. Visualize, mentally picture. 8. Intrusive, not welcome. 9. Promote, advertise. 10. Exaggerate, magnify the truth. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, travel and places. 1. Memorable, unforgettable. 2. Inhabitants, people living in a place. 3. Custom, local tradition. 4. Attract, act like a magnet. 5. Remote, distant, far away. 6. Spectacular, amazing. 7. Landscape, large area of countryside. 8. Outweigh, be more important than. 9. Basic, simple, not luxurious. 10. Barren, without plants. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, city. 1. Inadequate, not good enough. 2. Transportation, means of travel. 3. Pedestrian, person walking. 4. Commute, journey to work. 5. Pavement, service in an area. 6. Overpopulated, having too many people. 7. Slums, poor quality housing. 8. Infrastructure, service in an area. 9. Outskirts, edge of the city. 10. Isolated, alone, separate. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, environment. 1. Agricultural, agrarian. 2. Cultivate, make something grow. 3. Disaster, terrible event or accident. 4. Erosion, loss of soil. 5. Environmental, circumambient. 6. Logging, cutting down trees. 7. Vital, very important. 8. Irrigation, watering system. 9. Impact, effect. 10. Pesticide, insect killer. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, energy. 1. Generate, produce. 2. Alternative, not traditional. 3. Harness, capture and use. 4. Mining, digging up coal, etc. 5. Renewable, can be made again. 6. Sustainable, will not run out. 7. Maximize, make the most of. 8. Consumption, use, utilization. 9. Curb, limit the use of. 10. Emission, gases released. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, government. 1. Blame, accuse. 2. Childcare, care for children. 3. Govern, control a place. 4. Provide, give, make, available. 5. Regulation, official rule. 6. Depend, need help, support. 7. Entitlement, right or privilege. 8. Healthcare, care for the sick. 9. Oppose, be against. 10. Assistance, help, aid. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, animals. 1. Endangered, dying out. 2. Venomous, poisonous. 3. Domesticates, tame, not wild. 4. Thrive, grow, be successful. 5. Predator, animals that hunt another. 6. Vulnerable, easily hurt. 7. Nocturnal, active at night. 8. Dwindle, become smaller or fewer. 9. Habitat, a natural environment. 10. Prey, hunt, catch. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, space. 1. Explode, break up violently. 2. Explore, search for a new area. 3. Risky, dangerous. 4. Debris, large broken pieces of satellite or spacecraft. 5. Frightening, makes you afraid. 6. Infinite, without end. 7. Acclimatize, adjust, adapt, get used to. 8. Fascinating, extremely interesting. 9. Surface, a top layer. 10. Astronauts, working in space. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, technology and computer. 1. Virtual, not real. 2. Digital, computerized. 3. Embrace, accept eagerly. 4. Online, via the internet. 5. Addicted, obsessed. 6. Secure, safe. 7. Cutting edge, the very latest. 8. Cyberbullying, attacking online. 9. Technological, relate to tech. 10. Dated, old-fashioned. Vocabulary for IELTS topic, fashion. 1. Consumer, user of goods. 2. Passing, short-lived. 3. Trendy, fashionable. 4. Lasting, long-term. 5. Impulsive, acts without thinking. 6. Consumerism, buying and owning goods. 7. Purchase, something bought. 8. Impractical, unsuitable for a situation. 9. Discard, threw away. 10. Mass-produced, made on large scale.